Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to blur a photo in CapCut. Make sure to watch until the end to learn all the steps and tricks to add a professional touch to your images. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut and then tap on New Project. Here we have the option of videos and photos. So select photos and choose the photo you want to edit. And once you select the photo, tap on Add, which is in the bottom right corner. And once it is done, swipe over, tap on ratio, and you can see these different formats. So choose TikTok, and once you're done, click on the check mark. Now, swipe over again and tap on background. Here you can see different options. Select blur. Here you can adjust the blur intensity to your preference, whether you want it slightly blurred or heavily blurred. And once you're happy with the effect, tap on OK. Now you can see the background is blurred, filling the entire screen. Let's explore another blurring option. For this, go back to the main editing menu and tap on Effects. Here we have three different options. So choose Body Effects. Now in the search bar, type Blur. And here you can see we have number of different options. You can choose the one you like. I'm going with this Phantom. This effect allows you to blur the specific part of the photo. And you can adjust it. For that, tap on Adjust option. And you can change the blur intensity, speed, and other settings to fit your needs. And you can experiment with different settings to achieve the desired look. And there's this another effect, which is speed streaks. And by combining these techniques, you can create a professional looking photos with blurred backgrounds or specific blur areas. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.